Land Rover partner Evokes Skepticism. Nice.
Thanks. You hear about who Land Rover is going to partner with?
No.
So they want to partner with an American brand because they want to do a signed agreement where they will research and develop technology specific to the U.S. market. Jaguar and Land Rover,
Tata.
two brands synonymous with reliability, have decided to team up with Jeep for the trifecta of service bay queens. Land Rover and Jaguar and Jeep are all going to work. I'm sure whatever they come up with will work flawlessly.
Yeah. Land Rover Electronics and Jeep Electronics come together to make a fire.
Yep. So they signed a non-binding memorandum of understanding. So it's not a shared platform, not a shared engine or a factory or a model, any of that. None of that's been confirmed. If they do want to do that, that would require additional approvals. This is just they're going to share research and develop new technologies together.